see this, you can never unsee it again. This will be your secret to success. Now on 8th December, I finished trading by 10 o'clock. It's just half an hour right here. Made about 9,000, almost 5 figures. The day before on the 7th was done by 11:20. That's about 2 hours. And I made about 20,000 on that day itself. Done. On the 7th, I traded a little bit longer throughout the entire day. 50,000 just from day trading alone. On the 6th, I share my trades. Done on 30 minutes. Take a look at my trades right here. And I took almost 95 contracts for those trades there. The day before on the 5th, I finished within the hour again. Right here, as you can see, all my trades right here. And I reloaded to 100 contracts for these trades. Also a 5-figure day. On the 4th, also done within the hour. As you can see all my trades right here within the hour. This one only 45 contracts. So it's a little closer to a 5-figure day. And the day before that also done within the hour right here, as you can see all my trades here. And this was also a 5-figure day. Now I want you to be able to see that it is absolutely possible to do this every single day. Be done by within the first 2 hours of the day. And as you can see, almost all green trades, and most importantly, it doesn't matter, can be calls, can be puts. I'm not just making money on one direction. I'm making money in this chop right here. And that's only because you're able to train your eyes to be looking at the algorithms. And it's very important when you are able to do that, because let me just show you very quickly what does it really mean. Right at this point here, I took a call. Yeah. So if you take a call right here at this point, you were waiting for the breakout. If you manage to take a call here, you have to understand what is your risk to reward. And you can see right here, the risk to reward is quite impressive. It's about 11 times reward to your risk, just because you understood where the head can be and you realize that this will be where the structure will start to fail. Now this is important, right? Because where can you learn to make a decision whereby you can make almost 5-figure in one decision by risking just only 1/10 of your capital? And so this is the importance of structure. So likewise, when many of you missed that news candle at 10 a.m. It's the exact same algorithms, right, as I mentioned. And you see how the bulls were defending that teal, which was a bullish algorithm, and you had to wait. If a newer trader, I would advise you to wait for this, right? So if you see the red candle appearing, that's where you start entering, right? Because you see the red candle was defended by the green algorithm and started pushing out of the blue. However, before the news candle, this is where you have to set your stops, right? If you manage to enter early, right, where it started bouncing off that blue, this would be your risk to reward, right? It's still 5.5 because this candle gave you that full move within that 1 minute. So is this a good trade to start preparing for, especially when you're able to identify the algorithms? Not only in trading can you make decisions like that, where you can use $1,000 and make it into 10,000. 1:10 risk to reward, just because you understood what you are looking out for. Now, this is not easy, right? I'm not trying to say it is. It takes years of experience. It's going to have a lot of pain. You must be willing to suffer. You must be willing to study. You must be willing to learn. Firstly, I want you to take a look at my YouTube channel. And this is after my professional career. Do you see me upload a video every single day, almost every single trading day? I report to work every single day. I study markets every single day, even after doing this for almost 20 years. You just have to put in the work. It's not easy. Put in the work every single day. You have to learn what you're trying to do, and this takes a lot of hard work. It's not easy. It'll take you months, take you years before you can even get to some level of satisfaction. But my question to you is this, especially those of us that don't have a fighting chance in this society, especially those of us where the society banishes you into mediocrity. They say you are not good enough because trading is an elite level of activity. Trading gave me my identity. Trading allow me to know that I am one of the best and able to compete with the best in the world. Trading made me a winner when I was a nobody. And tell me, what activity in the world can you just log on to your computer, have a couple of clicks,